Hi everyone, it's Gabby from the Kia Hyundai channel, and today we're going to show you how to replace the dead key fob battery in 5 different generations of the Kia key fob. They grow up so fast. All right, and while it may seem easy enough, these things are actually quite tricky, so I'm going to hand all 5 of these over to Connor, our parts advisor. So Connor, have at it.
Let's open them up here.
All right.
So we'll start oldest to newest. This is a 2015 Kia Soul Key. This one's actually a little bit different with the switchblade style. You're going to have to get a screwdriver in here and kind of brace it, and it's going to sound like it's going to break. And
it might.
It might break. Come on, there it goes. And it will come open just like that.
All right, and to replace the actual battery, the batteries will have their parts number on it,
Yes,
right?
so it will say CR 2032. They have 2015, 2025s. The newest Tellurides, I believe, is a 2450. They range from size. So these are probably the easiest key fobs to get into. You take out the key with that button there.
So Connor, why is there a key inside a push-to-start car?
If your battery ever dies, you can take that key out and you can open the door and get into your vehicle so you're not stranded.
Whoa!
But once we're in there, there's a little slot that we're going to put our screwdriver into. We're just going to brace it and it's going to pop open there. And don't lose those little guys, and then your battery's there.
And same thing.
Yep.
Battery will have its number on it.
Yep.
That's what you got to replace. And
It's
the
easy as
parts
that.
usually range from how much? They're not expensive.
Batteries are typically about $5 to $10 depending on the battery. Our most common is $6.95.
So would you say this is something our drivers could do at home?
If you're feeling up to it, I personally have broken a key fob or two, so it can happen.
It happens.
As long as you're careful, you can get in there pretty easily. The next style is similar to the first one with the switchblade. It's a little bit different, but same kind of thing. There's a little lip here that you could probably hardly see unless you're really in person. But we're going to take our screwdriver and again, just kind of work it around, and eventually it will pop open. I just had it open. Oh my goodness. It's always the pressure. And there she goes. And gonna pop open here. Oh my goodness. There it goes. This one's a little bit more complicated. You then need to get a smaller screwdriver and take off these 4 screws, and your battery's gonna be behind there.
The main takeaway is if you have a keyed ignition modern Kia, think 2023 and newer, just take it to the parts department. Connor will do it for you guys.
Yep. Yep.
But we'll move on to our next one, which is the push to start. Same style key fob though, and it's a little bit easier. Key number 4 I have in my personal vehicle. It's fairly easy to open. So right up here, you'll have that indent. I've already opened it right now, but essentially you're gonna give that a big strong push, a very, very strong push, and that's gonna release the actual interior key. From here, I'm gonna let Connor do the rest of the work.
Yep. We're gonna grab our screwdriver again. And same kind of thing. There's a lip in here as well. We're gonna place our screwdriver in there, kind of brace it, and then it will split around the sides. And then we'll just continue working around. And you're open. And there's your battery.
That one was the best one so far, I must say. And last but certainly not least, this key is a major change from what we're used to seeing. This is equipped on vehicles like the brand new Telluride and the Kia EV9. So you can see it's a completely different shape, more rounded edges, but apparently this is the easiest one to change. Connor, show us how it's done.
It is. So I actually had to Google how to open this one because I haven't opened these yet. So we don't have to take any keys out. We're going to take our screwdriver, and there's another slot in here. Just take our screwdriver, get it in there, and you have the biggest battery Kia has ever put in a key fob.
Just like the biggest battery Kia has ever done in a vehicle, the Kia EV9. All right, thank you guys so much for joining us today. I hope you learned something new about how to change the battery in your Kia key. Connor, thank you so much for joining us today. Also, if you haven't seen Connor's face on this channel before, you're missing out. He's in our most popular video. 1.4 million views thanks to Connor.
Without me, this channel would be nothing.
So true. And without Connor, we would all have dead key fobs. So be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already for more Kia and Hyundai related content. And if you want to see more of Connor or more of the parts and service department in general, let us know. We'll be happy to make those videos. Thank you so much for watching.